Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Maniology, Beautometry, and kbshimmer haul. There is a few different items. I can't wait to share them with you, so let's just jump right in. I'm going to start off with Maniology. They always send stickers in your orders. It used to be little pineapple gummy, but now they send stickers and I love the sticker idea. I did get two of the same. This is two separate orders. They grow through what you go through, and this resonates with me so much, so I love these. I finally picked up one of these Maniology, the black crocodile print binders or plate storage. I can't remember exactly what they call it on the website, but it's got snap buttons. There's 3 of them. You can't see them all, of course. This holds, I believe, 48 plates. I've already filled mine up, and I need another one just for my Mani Me box plates. But there's an idea of what that looks like. I mean, really awesome. They do have a couple variations of these to choose from on the website. This was, I believe, originally $21, and I used a discount code, and I think it was around $19. I would say this is good and sturdy compared to the other one on the website. I don't own that one to say for sure, but you can just tell it's just a plastic kind of binder that you put your own sleeves in, and people were saying that the sleeves ripped out because of the weight and such. It does hold more plates, by I think 64 or so plates in that one, but I wanted the sturdier version. I want it to last. So I'm happy with this purchase. Of course, I got more plates from Maniology too. So I'm going to go over the ones that I've already opened and used first. You may have already seen these in some videos. I do plan on using the other two. They just released their Halloween releases, so stay tuned if you're interested in these kind of hauls, because I'm definitely going to be getting Halloween items as well as the Creepy Tiki Mani Me box. So stay tuned for those things. Plate M377, and it's the shark, the cutesy shark plate that they came out with. I was drawn to this plate for many reasons. It has like the jaws-like images where he's coming out of the water, the cover art, and the hammerheads. Hammerheads have always been my favorite, but overall, love. And the next one I love too. This one is M368, and this is there in memory of Rest in Peace, Not Forgotten kind of plate. I love that it says always love in memory of. I use this in memory of my nanny. This is why I got this plate. I didn't know this plate existed until just recently, and when I saw I had to grab it. There's also some images for like cats and dogs as well, which I like. I really love that you got flowers, there's birds. At first I actually thought those were butterflies, but they're birds, clouds, and you know, like a stairway to heaven or a bridge to heaven. And I just really love the wording. I used the angel wings, which I love that image as well. Yeah, love it. This next plate is Street Cherub 168, and I haven't used this one yet. I got this one on sale. What drew me to this plate is there's an image down here with like a controller and chapsticks and VHS, or like cassette tapes and things like that. So I grew up in the 90s. I was born in 87. I grew up in the 90s. So the chapstick and the little game controller and the cassettes, things like that. Totally nostalgia and relatable for me. So I picked up that one. And the last plate I got from Maniology this time, the Mermaid Polish M370. The Mermaid Polish M370. But you got your mermaid. I really wanted something with mermaid or like fish scale kind of thing going on. I don't have any plates with that kind of style, so I wanted that. There's some sayings, which I always love the sayings mixed in with images. Like, I wanted this to go along with all the other sea themed underwater plates that they released, because I love everything about the ocean. I love learning about the ocean and everything. I would never want to live there. I don't really actually even want to swim there. I've been there multiple times, but because I'm just so intrigued by, I would say, like the deep sea life stuff, the stuff in the abyss. I love learning about it. And some of my favorite like animals or creatures outside of dogs I love, and turtles, but sea turtles, jellyfish, the squids, the octopuses, anything with tentacles I'm really intrigued by. So I just love all these sea themed kind of plates. From Beautometry, I have actually never ever ordered from there, but Razor Blade, love your channel. If you don't know who Razor Blade is and you love nail art stamping, run to her channel. She's amazing. Anyways, she turned me on to Beautometry, and I didn't really know anything about them, but she orders a lot of stuff, gets sent a lot of stuff from them, and so I thought I would take a look around. And I left this one in the packaging so you could see. This one actually has a clear film on it, opposed to, you know, the Maniology ones with the blue. This one is like a zombie themed plate, R008, and this is from Candy Skull. So it says, I heart zombies, love the brain, the bloody hands, the body parts, I love it. I wanted it for these zombie faces and the I love zombies, and this zombie, two zombie hands making a heart. Then there's all these zombified things. I don't know, if you've been with my channel for a while, you probably already know I love all things zombies as well. Zombies, Silent Hill, anything to do with the ocean, yeah. Some zombie teddy bears. And there's a zombie jellyfish, so bloody axe, a bunch of cute things. My main reason for checking them out in general, I don't know when these plates came out, and I was going to get both of them. My household is a big fan of the movie Beetlejuice. We do own the cartoon as well. We do watch it and we do enjoy it. But I wanted this plate because of the movie. And it's Beetlejuice nail art plate from MoU London. Beetlejuice, they came out with two plates, 1 and 2, and I picked up number 2. Number 1 is the cartoon kind of esque one. Love it too. They came out with a stamper as well with Beetlejuice and Lydia on it, which is super cute. But I really wanted this. I may pick those up at a later time, but right now this is the one that drew me in. Just the other day I did Beetlejuice himself, the Beetlejuice coffin, the beetle, and I did Ghost of the Most and Here Lies Beetlejuice image. I believe that's all I done. Anyways, on a manicure, super cute. I did record it. And you got these little images when like he's trying to get Lydia to say his name. So with the juice, the glass, the beetle, Lydia with the camera, and little ghost Polaroids. You even have where I would pair these images with the husband and wife changing their faces to try to scare them and stuff. I would pair those images with Never Trust the Living. And there's even one that says it's showtime, say it 3 times. I love this plate. The little skulls with the bat wings and beetles with those are cute. You got some, of course, iconic stripes. You got some swirlies and some diamond like work there. So there's a lot of cute things. There's 2 variations of Beetlejuice. There's 2 sandworms. There's the husband and the wife. There's 2 Lydias. And I love, absolutely love, the strange and unusual stamp. So yeah, that's all for Beautometry. So I thought that shipping and stuff was going to take a long time on that website, but actually I got this order, ordered it on a Friday night and got it Monday morning. A last and final item I want to share with you today is from kbshimmer. It's just one I saw just living. If you haven't checked out her channel, please do. She's awesome as well. If you love nail polish, you're going to love her channel. Swatches and hauls, all that fun stuff, nail art. And she hauled kbshimmer's Simply Irresistible, or Irresistible, something like that. Anyways, let's look at it. There you go. That's the name of it. And this is from their Plants collection that released earlier this year, I believe. Probably a spring collection. Anyways, as soon as I saw when she showed this polish and how shifty it was and how it shifted in the, I'm a sucker for the shade shift. Like, you can see in the sunlight, it's bright, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Shift into the shade, and I am, woo, that is like my favorite, when the polishes shift in the shade and it's just even more gorgeous than it is in the sunlight. I don't know if that probably made any sense, but she's awesome, and she hauled this polish and I knew I had to have it. So this is purple, and it shifts a multitude of shades. Like right here, you can see it's purple and green. It also shifts into a blue. Now you have to have it angled right in the light. You see a lot of complaints about, well, the picture's light. It determines the light, the angle in which you're in for these polishes. But it's very holographic-y, shimmery, chrome-like finish as well. It's hard to describe these polishes, but I know you can see like a little bit of a lighter purpley pink shade there. It has like a gold flash in it. Some angles there's like an orange. It just shifts tons of different colors. Now, I did show tons of footage and pictures in my recent month of nail polish, so I'm going to link that. And I'm also going to share some pictures with you now, as well as footage. Stunning, and it has so many different elements to it, and these are $11 each, but they are totally worth it if you have an extensive nail polish collection, or you're just looking for something super special for your collection. Check out kbshimmer. These are gorgeous. I think this is going to be beautiful for fall as well. So yeah, that has been my haul today. Hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Check the description box and the cards for additional links. And thank you so very much for watching.